2 false starts. This is attempt number 3. Yeah. It's deciding it's too soft there, he keeps trying to go in, so he's going to move. Good job they're not in a hurry, isn't it? Hi Dallas. Dallas. Oh, he's going to go backwards now and then forwards. Watch. Top Paw Patrol rescue pups, eh? They're a bit faster than these. Here he goes. Here he goes, look. Beep beep, now forward. Really? Maybe that's Zuma's boat then. I don't know. I hope they get it done soon though, my hand's freezing holding this camera. There we go, look. Go, go, go. In a minute, yeah. Just watch this. Here we go. Is it going to be flat this time? Oh yeah. Oh, it's tipping.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Lots of sand now.
Keep watching, look. It's going to go in a minute. Yeah. What? Yeah. Look how far that tractor's going out. Yeah, they're going to go out, look, in the water. Here comes the sun. watching, look. There he goes. There he goes, look, into the water. Yeah, it is. There you go, look. It's in the water nearly. Gonna power off now, look. You can't yet, until he's out a little bit. There he goes.